Whoever does the best Lionel Richie version gets a free class. And if you really want to take it to the next level, with your lovely partner, you guys could do a duet of Endless Love. You got your Google machine in the phone, so don't tell me you don't know the lyrics.
My husband's walking away at that one.
Yeah, all right. That's what it should look like. Show yourself before we put it in the oven. Right now, they're like Destiny's Child brown. We need a Beyonce brown.
Mine left. You saw my frantic moving back and forth, and I think that she didn't want to get stepped on.
I still got a great big rock of sugar in the middle of
Keep rocking that sugar in a free room.
Did anybody almost chop their fingers off trying to make matchstick veggies? Because I did.
I'm glad you brought that up. I'm going to show you how to cut matchstick. And I'm going to claw my fingers with my thumb behind my fingers. And I'm just going to slice it that way. Krista, let's see your fingers. All 10 of there?
They're all there.
Amy, look at that.
Do you have any tips, Chef, for not eating all the spicy nuts before dinner?
No tips, brother. That is a silicone custard cup, right? Anyone had scrambled eggs? Because it's going to be a sad day here.
Is that like a furniture mallet? Oh,
Let's see how.
cool.
Let's see.
Those are good. Look at you, he's even got decor on them.
There's one in every damn pot.
Ooh, lovely.
Oh! That's all right, love. We're just going to scoop it right back up.
There are my potatoes.
Here's my meatballs.
Awesome. Next one. Yay, give me some. Look out right back. Yay.
Yay, cheers.
All right, cheers. Have a drink. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more rub on it because I'm a glutton for punishment. I see you got 2 people going there.
Yeah, we got a few more helpers.
But I need to give my wife some wine because she's the one that is helping me to catch up.
Good for you, man. That's a smart man. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
I learned how to cook ribs and make them fall off the bone without actually having to put them in the Instapot. These ribs are actually really tender.
Learn how to watch people do it.
I hope you guys take some of these recipes, make it one time, and then twist it to what you want. Oh, modern pesto. Well, aren't you smart? Yeah. So you gotta work it. Work it, girl. You gotta work that modern pesto just to crush that fennel, right?
Are you trying to make us use every dish in our whole kitchen?
But when you sit down and eat, you're gonna say, hey, I did this, right? That's the baby. We're gonna deglaze our pan with red wine.
If we drink all our red wine, what else can we use?
Who said that? Way to go, Brittany.
That's the spirit.
Can't wait to eat it.
And I really appreciate the kids hanging around.
Great recipes. Thank you, sir.
You guys made it. Give yourselves a round of applause for making